Alright. Okay, the first type of firework is called a fountain. To determine whether it's a fountain, have a read of the warning label, and it should say emits showers of sparks. Here is some examples of some cone fountains and some cylindrical fountains. They've got usually the fuse is on the top. Okay, fountains are one of the safest products. To set them up, there is a few different methods. To set up a fountain, we can set them up on some boards. We just need to get hold of some long nails, or you can use screws. Just get a piece of board like this. We'll want to position as many fountains as we can fit on the board. Just it's pretty simple engineering. Just knock a nail in either side of the fountain. Just position the fountain between the nails, and with some nice duct tape bind the fountain to the nails. 1 or 2 turns is sufficient, so it's held steady. A fountain just thrusts out sparks. There's not a great deal of lateral force, so they don't have to be. They just need to be secured firmly. No need to go over the top. In preparation for the display, just make sure the fuse is exposed. Now, fountains can crossfire because there's a big shower of sparks that can set the neighbouring fuse off. So what you do is just get a bit of aluminium alfoil from the kitchen and pop it over the top of each fountain. When we're going to come to light the fountain, you just pull the foil off and light the fuse. Another way to set up fountains is simply to attach them to a tent peg with the duct tape again. Just once around the top and once around the bottom. You need to push the peg far enough into the ground so the base of the fountain is on the ground. Ready? Okay, here we have the display site set up. We put up a fence to keep all the kids back at the right distances. Alright, now it's time to light the fireworks. The number one piece of safety equipment, safety glasses. And it's good to wear a cap to keep any sparks out of your hair. And some some flame resistant clothing, just basically as long as it's not synthetic. Any wool or cotton is good. Alright, to light the fireworks we need a good reliable lighting device. Here's a windproof lighter, and if you want to light fireworks rapidly, especially like our Pro Packs or when you're putting on your display, these port fires that you can buy from us are the way to go. It's got a fuse on the end of the port fire. Light the fuse, and the port fire ignites with a windproof flame. It's going to burn right down to about 2 inches from the base of the handle, and that'll take about 4 to 5 minutes. When it's getting close to there, light up another one. Okay, let's have a look at the display site. We've got the fountains out the front, and I'll go and light a fountain now, and the fountains are 5 to 10 metres from spectators. Right. Okay, the lighting technique: never stand over the top of a firework and light it for obvious reasons. Always come in low, light the tip of the fuse, and then just retreat 3 to 4 metres and observe the fireworks.